Oga Olumide Akpata wey be the Labour Party flag bearer for inside the just concluded Edo State governorship election, im don dey do like a normal Labour Party person, im don dey follow the ways of the water. Now just like Peter Obi wey no wan gree give up on the presidential race, Oga Olumide Akpata don come outside dey yarn say im no go give up on im ambition to govern the south states. Im say e go take more than one election attempt to achieve that one, so therefore im go dey try again and im go continue to dey try am. And Oga Olumide Akpata wey be say im na former Nigerian Bar Association presido, im dey yarn this one as im dey review the governorship contest for inside Tori People their channel on Wednesday wey be the 25th day of September for inside this year 2024. And my good people, we all know about the things and things wey go down for inside on Saturday the 21st day of September for inside this year 2024. Edo State people dem carry their voters card, dem go decide dem go elect a would-be successor to the current governor of Edo State wey be Godwin Obaseki. Now after a hard-fought contest, the Independent National Electoral Commission wey be INEC, they come declare the candidate of the All Progressive Congress wey be Senator Monday Okpebholo as the winner, with the Labour Party candidate finishing at a distant third position. But during the interview, my good people, Oga Olumide Akpata come dey argue say the vote buying plus vote apathy and mayhem na come characterize the election and e can affect im chances of winning. But however, my good people, the former president of the Nigerian Bar Association, im dey remain unshaken by the experience and im don vow to make another attempt. Im don vow to contest again to be governor of the state. So like this now, my good people, we are looking at another Peter Obi, because the things and things wey this man yarn for inside his speech, my good people, it can only be one man. You know, say im come dey yarn say he don talk this matter over and over again. He say all of them dey now, they don plaster already to fix we country Nigeria and Edo State. They don join hands with like-minded people to make sure say dem fix our country and in state wey be Edo State. So like this now, im don plaster, and as im don tanda like this, im no dey go anywhere. Im ready to continue, im ready to try again, so that when time reach, im go come dey tell the story dey give im grandchildren say im contribute things and things to we country Nigeria when we country Nigeria dey at a difficult time. No be small matter, my good people. Oga Olumide Akpata im come say dey yarn say im go meet with im lawyers to decide whether or not im go challenge the outcome of the Saturday governorship election wey happen for inside Edo State. And according to how im take yarn am, im say im get the benefit of seeing this as an insider and a practitioner within the justice sector, and na the decision of the Labour Party and him to take jointly on whether or not they go challenge the outcome of the election. And he say im go meet with im lawyers, then the Labour Party go come meet with their own lawyers, and they will come together to decide whether or not they will challenge the outcome of the election. No be small matter, my good people. As the matter don't be like this, we need somebody now to go tell Oga Olumide Akpata say make him no just bother. That money wey he want to give him lawyer, may just grant to give away, because lawyer something, court something, they work for inside the country Nigeria. If it is say with the wine, make him ask in Oga wey be Peter Obi. Make Peter Obi tell him how the last matter wey him carry go court concerning election, how it take play for inside the country Nigeria. As I order in win am, I been a waste of him precious time. But my good people, if we say make we torchlight this matter properly, we say some kind things wey dey happen for inside this our country, especially for the electoral system, it no make sense at all. Now, is it that the general public are so fond of vote buying, been at which level? As in, is it that they don't they sell their vote so they don't become normal thing for inside we country Nigeria? Abi e get another pattern wey some kind politicians they use for inside we country Nigeria? Now, why are they yarn all these ones now? Because see, any time and every time we they do election for inside we country Nigeria, there must be one complaint or the other. You understand? If no be say then thief ballot box, it go because of election rigging, or it go because of vote buying. All those kind of levels normal, they undermine the electoral process of the country Nigeria. Now, even as the election don't conclude, INEC don't announce the winner normal. The All Progressive Congress, they go see the celebrating now because now their candidate now winner. But if you touchlight the camp of the People's Democratic Party or the Labour Party, you go see am say men are not smiling at all. You know say the deputy governorship candidate of the Labour Party for inside Edo State, dey go by the name Yusuf Kadiri. He now don come outside now dey complain about the recent election wey happen for inside Edo State. He say that governorship election e no go well at all at all. He come even label am transaction galore. That is to say, vote buying in yafu for inside the election. And Oga Yusuf Kadiri, he come dey accuse major political parties like the People's Democratic Party wey be PDP and the Winning All Progressive Congress wey be APC. They accuse them of engaging in widespread vote buying, and he come dey emphasize say the Labour Party wey be LP, they no dey involved in such corrupt practices. And he come still dey yarn my good people say e no make sense say other parties now come use the poverty of Edo State come exploit am for their own benefit, based on say things and things dey wrong for inside Edo State, based on say hungry and all those kind of levels. The political parties now they come kukuma use am as opportunity to take buy their way into the position when they come introduce the vote buying. Oga Yusuf Kadiri wey be the deputy governorship candidate of the Labour Party for inside Edo State, na dey yarn this one as im dey talk to tori people for inside one interview. And make e no be as if na only the Labour Party dey complain about the governorship election, my good people, man still yarn you legit. One countryman wey im name na Dr. Bright in Abulele, him na the Accord Party their governorship candidate for inside the recently concluded Edo governorship election. Him now come dey lash out in the para well for the Independent National Electoral Commission wey be INEC. He come dey accuse the body of overseeing what he described as the most corrupt election in the history of Nigeria. So like I been tell you before, my good people, this election matter for inside we country Nigeria, it is becoming something else. Just like wetin Goodluck Ebele Jonathan talk, this election matter no be technology wey go solve am. Na we wey be the country people na go fit solve am. We need to change our mindset. If dem bring vote buying come, make we no gree for them. If dem try any other mago means, make we no see gree for them. Now wey they don see and see the general public are not smiling, they want their votes to actually count, go say go come dey reduce the kind katakata wey dey sup for inside we country Nigeria. So like this now, my good people, if we want make the electoral process make sense for inside we country Nigeria, make we as a country person start the change. When we start the change, the thing go come enter the Independent National Electoral Commission their body. When it don enter INEC body, e go last come enter the politicians their body who could trust in the process. This my good people na the informate wey I wan share give the general public. Anyhow the thing be you for body, feel free make it drop out inside our comment section. Now we be Anointed Lady TV. Now they give una legit information on the things and things wey dey happen for inside we nation Nigeria. So if you like this news and you would like to receive more, try make you subscribe to this channel and try make you put on the notification bell so that as we dey bring the news they come, now you go first receive the updates and you go get them sharp. And they come your side again with another legit informate for you, my good people. I beg, no go anywhere.